Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in your Kia Sportage key. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. This common coin cell battery is readily available. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the physical key is released. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. The two sections should separate with a slight click. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. This is important for correct installation of the new one. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly into its compartment. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors. If everything works correctly, you have successfully replaced the battery. Enjoy your fully functional key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.